Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, I am Sakshi Gaikwad from third year of Computer Diploma in Zeal Education Society. Our project name is The Effect of Entrepreneurial Characteristics on Business Performance. Our group members' names are Sakshi Gaikwad, Shravani Jana and Tejaswi Nilavde. Our guide names are Adip ma'am and Kute ma'am. First point, project abstract. This paper provides a critical perspective on the issues surrounding entrepreneurial characteristics. This paper presents the finding from an empirical studies examining the influence entrepreneurial characteristics. The entrepreneurial characteristics have positive association with the performance result. Entrepreneurial characteristics and business performance in Malaysia has not been fully addressed in empirical studies. Finding of the study providing a striking demonstration regarding positive association of certain entrepreneurial characteristics with business performance. Second point, introduction. In today's highly competitive, rapidly changing global economy, a wide variety of innovation management decisions and strategies to improve business performance. The entrepreneurial process is the outcomes of interaction between individual, social, and environment factors. A good entrepreneur has the capability to foresee and evaluate opportunity. They also prevised entrepreneurship as an innovation process and creation. Johnson described the word entrepreneurial to quite an extent. He defined an entrepreneurial characteristics as an individual who takes agency and invitations, who assume responsibility and ownership for making things happen, who manage the risk attached to the process, and who has the perspective to see things through some identified endpoint. Third point, methodology. The main intention of this study to comprehend how to entrepreneurial characteristics influence the success and performance of the business. 219 responses were received and analyzed. The goal is to gain insight into influence to several entrepreneurial characteristics on business performance. Face-to-face interviews with entrepreneurs are carried out for checking the information accuracy. The instrument developed this study is structure sure in order to capture the multidimensional nature of performance. 7-point interval scale representing the range of agreement on study whether over the past 3 years particular performance in high relative competitives. Next slide will be explained by Shravani Jana.
Hello, my name is Shravani Jana. I will be explain literature review. Many researchers have suggested that characteristics of entrepreneurs are relevant factor determining the good traits of entrepreneurs and ultimately the ability of the business to achieve significant levels of performance. Opportunity is defined as the potential for change, improvement, or advantage arising from entrepreneurs' actions in the circumstance. On the other hand, Stein defines team as a situation in which a person can create a new means for recommending resources that the entrepreneur believes will yield a profit. Next. The actual explanation diagram. The conceptual model, this paper explores the relationship between the entrepreneurial characteristics and business performance within the context of the Malaysian environment. The proposed conceptual model, as displayed in Figure 1, is based on two main constructs, entrepreneurial characteristics and business performance. Essentially, entrepreneurial characteristics represents an entrepreneur's assessment of his or her overall level of entrepreneurial elements in addition to improving levels of performance. Entrepreneurial characteristics were also being shown to provide benefits in terms of competitiveness. Next. In this paper, utilized entrepreneurial characteristics dimensions derived from studies and document references. The 10 dimensions of entrepreneurial characteristics were identified from several sources were considered to relate to the distinctive features of entrepreneurial characteristics and are therefore incorporated in the conceptual model. Next. The main intention of this study is to comprehend how entrepreneurial characteristics influence the success and performance of business. The sample unit of analysis in this study is Malaysian entrepreneurs, business entities, and the respondent from each entity is represented by the entrepreneur or owner of the business. 219 responses were received and analyzed. The primary purpose of the research is to measure entrepreneurs' perceptions regarding important entrepreneurial characteristics. Now, the next slide will be explained by Tejaswi Nalawade.
Hello, I'm Tejaswi Nalawade. Now I'm explaining characteristics of successful entrepreneurs: curiosity, structure, experimentation, adaptability, team building, comfortable with failure, risk tolerance, persistence, long-term focus. Next. Advantages. Being an entrepreneur means you get to be your own boss. Second, entrepreneurs get to discover who they really are. Third, entrepreneurs get to dictate their own schedule to a certain extent. Every day is different when you are working as an entrepreneur. There are fewer restrictions to worry about in the world of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs can choose to pursue any idea they want. Next, disadvantages. The world of entrepreneurship is going to dominate your life. Entrepreneurs do not have a guaranteed paycheck waiting for them. The world of entrepreneurship requires leaders. If you want to be successful, you must be patient with the process. When you become an entrepreneur, stress levels, funding can be a significant problem for entrepreneurs. Next. Conclusion. This paper attempts to investigate the structural relationship between entrepreneurial characteristics and business performance within the Malaysia context. Initially, the result of the preliminary SAME model indicate the relationship between entrepreneurial characteristics and business performance only suggests a null fit. It should be noted that the model presented in this study reflects linear and direct linkage. Given that the results of this study show no empirical support for simple structural linkage, it is suggested that this construct may be related in a more complex manner. However, further investigation on the contribution of each entrepreneurial characteristic and business performance indicator signals that some of the indicators are more responsive to the causal relationship, which suggests possible direct linkage between them. Next. Thank you.